Let's get right to that breaking news. A school massacre in Pakistan, the deadliest in years. This is the scene outside the Army Public School right now. And you see there in the background those heart-sick parents lined up, waiting for word about their children.
And this is what we know at this moment. More than 120 were killed when gunmen stormed that school in the northwestern part of the country. The overwhelming majority of the victims are students from grades 1 to 10. Dozens of other children wounded in the siege, and they were seen being carried out of the school to ambulances.
The Taliban is already claiming responsibility for the brutal attack. ABC's Martha Raddatz tracking all the latest. Good morning, Martha.
George, this is a city used to violence, but nothing like this. There are children as young as 6 years old at this school, up to 18 years old, and many more than 100 dead. It began with a small number of Taliban gunmen storming into the school, going room to room, opening fire. Suicide vests also used. The Pakistani military responding, and parents began flooding to the school to try desperately to find their children. Most of the dead are children of military officers. And this morning, Malala Yousafzai, the Pakistani girl who survived a Taliban attack, issued a statement saying, "I am heartbroken by this cold-blooded act of terror, but we will never be defeated." George?
But Martha, why this school? Why now?
Well, the Taliban quickly claimed responsibility, saying the attack was in revenge for the Pakistani authorities going after the Taliban, and clearly they wanted to go after the military and their children.
Okay, Martha, thanks very much. This standoff continues. We're going to track all the latest.
We certainly will.